Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to practically demonstrate how to use first hyphen child in CSS selectors. For practical demonstration, I am going to open this browser and take you to this sample application page. That is, you have to type my first name Arun, my last name Motori dot github.io/m3.html. So once you are taken to this page, you can see there are around 10 paragraphs. As an example page, we have 10 paragraphs on this page. Now right click on the blank area on this page and select inspect option. You'll get the Google Chrome DevTools. Expand all the HTML code here under the Google Chrome DevTools. Now, I want to locate all the paragraphs on this page. How to write the CS selector so that I can locate all the paragraphs on this page? Just type the p tag, name of the tag, that is p, and press enter. So how many elements are getting located? 10 elements. What are those elements? All the paragraphs are getting located. There are around 10 paragraphs on this page. Each and every paragraph on this page is getting located here. But my requirement is to locate only the first paragraph. Is it possible? Yes. We can use this first hyphen child in this CS selector so that out of 10 elements or 10 paragraphs, only the first paragraph will get selected. After CSS selector, provide colon symbol followed by first hyphen child and press enter. Now how many paragraphs are getting located? Only the first paragraph is getting located. How this is possible? How this particular first child when mentioned in this particular CS selector is able to locate the first paragraph? So how this thing is actually working? If I remove this first hyphen child and press enter, all the 10 paragraphs are getting located. You see, all the 10 out of 10 paragraphs are getting located. If you properly observe, all these paragraphs which are getting located here on the page are the children of this body tag. Okay. You see, for all these paragraphs, who is the parent? Body. Under the body only, all these child p tags are there. Now, if I want to locate the first p tag, first child p tag under the body, how to do that? First hyphen child. So this is how it works, guys. It's going to select the first child p tag under the parent tag. So when you write p first hyphen child, you have to see p here. Where it is getting located? Here it is getting located. So is there any parent for this p tag? Yes. Body is a parent. Under the body parent, the first position p tag need to get located. So this is how it works, guys. This is how this particular CSS selector works. So one of the example that I have given in this particular session for using first hyphen child in CS selectors is this one. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.